Hello, this is week 16's coding assignment for Promineo Tech Coding Bootcamp. This week we are continuing our test-driven development as we create the code necessary to implement the post method in a web API. And then we'll start off with showcasing the JUnit test file, starting with the create order body, which pulls data from the schema data file. Showcases here. As you see here, I am merely the coder, just make sure the options will work. Any Jeep aficionados out here, these options might not be viable. I apologize if that's the case, but this is showcasing that the code works. In any case, here's the actual test file. The test method, given the body, or as JSON, we got the body, which create that, which we just showcased. The string URI, just like last time, just doing local orders instead of Jeeps. We also have testing. Instead of doing get, we have post. We get this as created back, and we are certain, as we see in here in the create order body method, these are the parameters that we're testing. Get option 6, so we're just checking to make sure it has 6 options in there to simplify things. Now in the controller method, well, this is the interface. We updated it from the sales one to request mapping to orders, and update some of the open API tags to make sure it matches for what the purpose is. Instead of 200, it's 201, and order request for the parameters, or it's JSON and create. And it'll be a post map instead of get mapping because we are trying to get a 201 instead of a 200. And showcase the order request, showcasing the update, the validation tags with annotations to match, to ensure that each class is doing the right thing. Doors want to make sure, minimum of 2, maximum 4 returned. On the list, we have the length of max 30, the reg expression, which is common with most of these. The only one that's notable for not having much is the Jeep model, which is enum, because it shouldn't be null. And to run the test check, so comment these out to showcase that the log info is showing. So let's run the JUnit test to showcase that all the information is being validated. So it's going to run through real quick, switch over. Is it running? There we go. It just took a little while to boot up, I guess. And as we see right here in the console, it logged all the information we need to showcase that it is being validated into thing. The red is expecting actual to not be null, so let's fix that. Let's go back here, and we're going to put this back in and comment that out. Actually, we'll just delete it. It's just there to showcase it. And now showcase the DAO information to make it work. So how we do so, we have in our Jeep order service these codes, which link back into this method. Showcases all the code that we imported that was created by our instructors. But we have the save order method, which logs in all the information from the prior methods along with the save options, which just takes from the JDCP template and SQL params to link it all together, and runs through here. And we'll run the JUnit test again to showcase that it is being sent. See right there, the log line still working, and we have a green bar.